In a significant legal development, a federal judge has ruled that President Donald Trump cannot prevent the continuation of the Revolution Wind project, an offshore wind initiative being developed by the Danish company Orsted, off the coast of Rhode Island. This ruling, delivered on Monday, allows Orsted to resume work on the nearly completed project, which had been halted by the Trump administration just last month. This decision represents a notable setback for Trump, who has actively sought to impede the growth of offshore wind energy in U.S. waters. For Orsted, this ruling is a much-needed victory, especially considering the company has been incurring losses of approximately $2 million each day since construction was paused on August 22nd. The Revolution Wind project is situated about 15 miles offshore and, once operational, is projected to generate enough electricity to power around 350,000 homes across Rhode Island and Connecticut. Following the judge's ruling, shares of Orsted listed in the U.S. saw a nearly 9% increase, reaching $11.60. The U.S. Interior Department has indicated that it will continue to evaluate the project while construction resumes. A spokesperson for the department stated, "As a result of the court's decision today, Revolution Wind will be able to resume construction as the U.S. Bureau of Ocean Energy Management continues its investigation into possible impacts by the project to national security and prevention of other uses on the outer continental shelf." The Trump administration's legal team had contended that the Revolution Wind project did not meet the necessary permit conditions, citing concerns related to national security and the need for scientific ocean surveys. However, the developers of Revolution Wind have strongly disputed these claims. After a 2-hour court hearing in Washington, Judge Royce Lamberth issued a preliminary injunction that prevents the Trump administration from enforcing its order to halt construction. Lamberth, a senior judge appointed by former Republican President Ronald Reagan, criticized the administration for providing inconsistent justifications for its stop work order. He described the explanations given weeks after the halt as the height of arbitrary and capricious government behavior. Furthermore, Lamberth noted that Revolution Wind had reasonably relied on government assurances that were suddenly withdrawn without proper process, jeopardizing a substantial $5 billion investment. He emphasized the urgency of the situation, stating if Revolution Wind cannot meet benchmark deadlines, the entire project could collapse. There is no doubt in my mind of irreparable harm to the plaintiffs. Orsted, along with its joint venture partner Skyborne Renewables, had sought a preliminary injunction through a lawsuit challenging the U.S. Interior Department's stop work order. An Orsted spokesperson commented, "Revolution Wind will resume impacted construction work as soon as possible with safety as the top priority," while also expressing the intention to continue discussions with the administration. In addition to Orsted's legal actions, both Rhode Island and Connecticut have filed lawsuits against the administration regarding the stop work order. Connecticut Governor Ned Lamont expressed his support for the ruling, stating, "Today's ruling allowing Revolution Wind to resume work is extremely encouraging for workers and our energy future. We will continue to engage with the federal government on a durable path forward for this project and on shared energy priorities." This ruling raises important questions about the balance between national security concerns and the urgent need for renewable energy projects. What do you think? Should the government prioritize renewable energy development over potential security issues? Share your thoughts in the comments.